Hi friends, let us see dictionary in C sharp, how we can create. Dictionary is a generic collection that stores a key value pairs in no particular order. It will store in the collection, it is a collection and there is no any order. And the dictionary characteristics will be you want to create like this dictionary less than t key and t value. This is stores a key value pairs and this namespace supposed to be you should use the system.collection.generic namespace, and it is implements idictionary less than t key and t value. These are the data types. So here t key value, t key is supposed to be unique and cannot be null, and t value it will be either null or duplicate. There is no any problem about that one. Okay, it will be it dictionary values can be accessed by using passing the access associated key in the indexer, like that my dictionary less but square bracket and key value like this. So what data type we are here using here is supposed to be use that one here, and elements are stored in as a key value pair. Okay, let us see one example in the C sharp. Now I am taking that one text box. I am taking one text box and button. Properties in changing that multi-value, multi-line for true. Change the button click event text box. Submit. Okay, let us see. I'm clicking, double clicking, taking the double click the button click. Now I already for time being I have taken the one small example here. Say here I declare that variable names a new dictionary equal to new dictionary. This is the integer type and string value type. Okay, then closing the method, and names here names dot add of integer type. We are passing the this is the integer data type, and string is that I like Venkat. Here names dot add of 2 and Ramesh, and add of names dot add of 3 Ram. Okay, here for each I am taking that I wanted to print these values into the text box value. So here I am taking the text box 1. One. So while printing here text box for each, I have told you this is dictionary in the values are stored in the form of key value pair. So key value pair into string kvp in names. So text box 1 dot text equal to previous element if this value plus another value. I am printing this one key kvp dot key plus kvp dot value. I am concatenating and I am taking the new line. Okay, so it is taking the loop and it will display in the text box. Now in the same way, here I am declaring that dictionary as a string and string. So in this one, here I am passing the values by default values: South Africa, Johannesburg, Cape Town cities, and USA, Boston, California, Dallas, and India, Calcutta, Telangana, and Hyderabad. So I am passing these values into the cities, the cities dictionary. So if you want to add one more item to the dictionary, then you can add like that cities Beijing, Wuhan, and Shanghai. So then after we need to print this all the items into the text box, so that I am writing the code for that text box 1 dot text equal to test one box 1 dot text plus this kvp. You can declare that key value pair as a variable. Okay, so kvp dot key and concatenating these values I need to print in the text box and followed by new line. Okay, let us see once run it. Yeah, by submit, let us see here you are getting one Venkat, two Ramesh, three Ramesh. So here this is already we declared the three values in the cities. This is the extra one city we are adding to the dictionary. So this is the output we can display in the text box like this dictionary. We can use like this in C sharp. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye, Shah.